Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable Bluetooth, disable airplane mode, and turn off battery saver so radios behave normally. Once done, immediately forget or unpair any stale connection entries on both sides to avoid cached Passkey conflicts. Reboot each device to clear transient states. Make sure you know the device model and OS version, and keep possible numeric PINs like 0000 or 1234 at hand, because many accessories still expect a fixed code. Next, you clear any stored Bluetooth cache or device profiles. On Android, clear the Bluetooth app cache. On iOS or Mac OS, remove the device entry and restart Bluetooth. Then put the accessory into explicit pairing mode. Hold its pairing button until an LED blinks, because automatic discovery can prompt wrong passkeys. Make sure you choose the correct pairing method. PIN entry for classic HID devices, numeric comparison for modern devices. Also update drivers or firmware now, since protocol mismatches often cause incorrect passkey prompts. Finally, initiate pairing and immediately verify that the numeric passkey displayed on your device matches the accessory, except on both sides. If you see an incorrect passkey, cancel pairing, reboot both devices, and force a fresh discovery before trying manual PIN entry. Enter the accessory's documented default PIN if required. If problems persist, reset the accessory to factory defaults and reinstall any updated drivers or firmware. Troubleshooting tip: if repeated failures occur, test with a second phone or laptop to isolate a device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.